Katie Price's neighbors are up in arms, claiming people have been racing quad bikes around her 3-acre estate. Local residents have allegedly complained about the activity on the former Glamour model's West Sussex land to their local council, claiming it's causing too much noise and disturbance for the leafy area. Last week we exclusively revealed that Carl was ramping up his car business and selling a fleet of 12 motors from her rural pad. In aerial photos obtained by The Sun, 16 cars are pictured outside the sprawling property while another 3 appear inland beside the 9-bedroom home. The Sun have contacted Katie's local council and rep for comment. The Sun revealed earlier this month how Carl, 32, had parked his second-hand luxury cars at her under-threat property. In recent weeks, he's added several more motors for sale and now has a dozen on offer at the home, which could be sold to pay bankrupt Katie's debts. Publicity shots on Auto Trader show the vehicles, including a Range Rover, Lamborghini, Audi, Porsche and Mercedes, lined up on the home's drive. The address given on the website is that of Katie's home. Motors include a 250,000-pound Lamborghini Diablo, a 24,995-pound Porsche Panamera and a 31,995-pound Mercedes A-Class. Her £2 million home, which is under threat from Katie's bankruptcy proceedings, was dubbed Mucky Mansion after falling into a state of disrepair. Last year, it suffered a collapsed ceiling and flooded kitchen after it was ransacked by intruders. Wedding bells. Meanwhile, the photos come days after we revealed that Katie has set a date for her wedding to Carl, her birthday. The reality star has told friends she's planning to tie the knot with her fiancé on May 22nd, the day she turns 44, and it will be a fairground theme at her Sussex Mucky Mansion. A friend close to Katie told us, Katie's lucky number is her birth date, so what's luckier than her actual birthday? She's telling everyone that Carl will be her 4th and final husband, he's the one. She's planning to make it a day to remember. It'll take place at her home in West Sussex and she wants a fairground. They both love roller coasters, and a hog roast. Carl wants to arrive in a supercar and make a huge entrance. Basically, she wants this wedding to be completely different to all her other weddings. One thing, however, will be the same: Katie's choice of celeb bridesmaid, including Michelle Heaton. Katie has asked Michelle Heaton to be her bridesmaid. She's one of Katie's best friends and they have always been there for each other, the insider added. Sources say Michelle, who was on bridesmaid duty for Katie's wedding to Peter Andre in 2005, could be joined by Carrie Katona, who was bridesmaid at the same wedding, and Cami Lee, who was a guest at Katie's vow renewal to Kieran Hayler. On Good Morning Britain this week, Katie revealed that wedding plans were full steam ahead since she swerved jail after pleading guilty for drink driving in December, and she wants to get married in the UK so her mum can attend. She says it's crucial her mum Amy, who has a life-limiting lung condition called idiopathic pulmonary fibrosis, is at her 4th wedding.